everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can log into QR code in Roblox. And this is going to be a very short video, so without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you want to do is you want to go to Roblox web. So just click on it. As you can see, I'm already logged into an account, but I want to log in through a QR to show you guys. So what I want to do is log out of this account right here. And once I log out, I'll be redirected into this page of login to Roblox. And what I want to do is use another device. I want to click on use another device, and it will show up a QR code. And here's also a code that you can use to keep in your phone. So it shows up here that you can go to Roblox app, then go to more page and quick log in to enter your code. So just go to your phone and put in this code, or you can scan this QR in your device's camera where your account is already logged in. So this is a quick and easy method on how you can do this. If you guys like this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if there are any more comments or questions, leave it on the drop box below. It's me, Elise, signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.